Good morning, everybody. This is Liz Schode, registered dietitian and director of clinical nutrition here at Jackson Purchase Medical Center, doing another Learning with Liz lesson today. Well, welcome to the new year. This is January of 2023. That's just crazy to think about. It's already a new year. But what does everybody want to do in the month of January is they start thinking about what kind of New Year's resolutions can I do for myself. And always, one that everybody thinks about is, maybe I want to eat healthier, or I want to maybe lose some weight if I need to, or maybe I want to start working on some exercise or something like that. So today I thought I would just talk a little bit about just some healthy eating ideas and things like that. And then next week, we're actually going to have a guest here with us talking about exercise. So we're going to try to help you out with some of those New Year's resolutions. So on the nutrition end, I always want to tell or recommend to somebody, if you're deciding, I need to lose weight, I'm going to go on some kind of diet. Well, number one, I hate the word diet, because what's the first three letters of diet is D-I-E. It's like, no, we just want to try to develop some better eating habits is what I always encourage a person to do. There are many, many plans that you can find on the internet, or they might advertise on the TV about doing different things. But I always want someone to do something safely and to make sure it comes from a credible source. So if you're thinking about, I want to do some kind of, weight loss plan, just remember, something like Weight Watchers is good. Doing Noom is a really good new website that's out there. Making sure that we're not cutting out one food group. Our body needs carbohydrates, our body needs protein, and we need fat every single day. So trying to make sure that we're having a balanced diet, and not, like I said, not just having one food group or I'm only going to eat this. I'm not going to eat any carbohydrates. Guess what? Our body, we need some carbohydrates. It's very important that we have carbohydrates every single day, but we don't need to just have only carbohydrates, because that's when those things can increase those calories. So, other websites that you can go to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, which it's called eatright.org, and they have a lot of really, really good information on that for us to help give us good eating ideas, healthy tips. Also, it's called myplate, which has been around for a while. That's put out by the FDA and the USDA. They all kind of have, some hand in that. But that is a fantastic website to go to get credible nutrition information from, as well as you can go in there, you put your height and your weight, and they'll help you calculate what a person's body weight needs to be. They can give you a meal plan on that. So that's a super website to go to. eatright.org is one, and myplate.gov is myplate. Also, talking to a registered dietitian, whether or not it's here at the hospital or it's at the health department, there's many options that are out there for you to help give you some really good, sensible, and nutritionally sound information. So just, think about what you might want, what you're going to do, and just making sure that you're trying to follow all those tips to say, this is what I need to do so that way I can do this safely. If you have any questions or any idea of topics that you would like for us to discuss here on Learning with Liz, please just kind of drop us a note on here. Also, we always put my phone number listed on here, so if you ever have any questions, you can call me there too. So I hope everyone has a great day, and have healthy eating. Like I said, it's January. Everybody kind of wants to turn over a new leaf. So just make sure that you do it sensibly and nutritionally sound. Thanks for watching.